Hello again, welcome back to my channel. So today I have here with me, this is the JBL Xtreme 3 in camouflage cover, and this is JBL Charge 5, and we're going to be having a little comparison. Here we definitely know that the JBL Xtreme 3 will sound way better than, no, I shouldn't say way better, but it should sound a lot better than the Charge 5. And so here in this video we're going to see it firsthand. Starting off, we'll just take a look at the devices and see. I have them in the same color pattern, the same design, so you can see there's almost no difference. It's just that the Charge 5 is like a smaller version. It's not like, it is a smaller version of the Xtreme 3. And here we have it. As you can see, it's JBL Xtreme 5 Charge 5. See passive radiators, and you have your charging ports here, and your USB Type A ports on the back. So there we have it. Here you have your power on button, Bluetooth, volume up, volume down, play, pause, double tap to skip to the next track, and triple tap for the previous track. Here you have your multi-speaker button, which you can use to connect up more speakers. Okay, so let's go. And this is the Xtreme 3. You can see it's just a supercharged version of the Charge 4. Maybe it's slightly better, newer technology on the Charge 5, although not Charge 4. You can see. And here on the back, the charging port is under the flap instead of just on the back of the Charge 5. This is it. The charging port, and we have charging port here. A full-size USB Type A, and then we have an auxiliary jack here on the Xtreme 3. The Charge 5 doesn't have the auxiliary jack. You see it, Xtreme 3, and this is the Charge 5. So as for the Charge 5, it produces a power output of about 40 watts, and I think right now you can get it for about $140. Well, here in Nigeria, maybe you can do the conversion and know how much that is, but in dollar terms, $140. While the Xtreme 3, it has come down quite a bit since when it came out. I think it was over 300 or almost 400 when it came out, but right now I think you can pick it up for about $250. You can pick it up for $250 because there's a new one now. The Xtreme 4 is out, and I think the Xtreme 4 gives you better battery life than this. So this gives you about, I think, 15 hours of playtime. Then I don't know about the Charge 5, maybe 20 hours. Yeah, so I was right. I decided to go check that out. The Charge 5 gives you 20 hours of playtime, while the Xtreme 3 gives you 15 hours of playtime. So I guess what's left now is for us to hear how they both sound and compare which one's more suitable for you. This is a little chunky, while this can easily be put in maybe any size backpack. You can see how it fits in my hands. But this is the Xtreme 3. Someone with small hands can hold the Xtreme 3. Okay, now so what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna play some soundtracks. I'll start with the Charge 5 at 50% volume. So here we go. I'm playing through the Charge 5 right now. You can hear that. now for the Xtreme 3, 50% volume. Here we go. Charge 5. From what we just heard now, I think the Charge 5 sounds a bit louder at 50% volume than the JBL Xtreme 3 sounds. But I think the Xtreme 3 sounds a bit richer than the Charge 5 at same volume. Just a little, sounds a little less loud. And okay, right now I'm gonna increase it to 100% volume so we can see the difference. Can hear the difference, sorry. And now for the Charge 5 at 100% volume. Here we go. Xtreme 3, 100% volume. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Which do you prefer? Which do you think gives you better value for your money? So like I said before, as of now, you can pick this up for about $250 and this for about $140. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.